Morning, guys. Good morning and happy Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, right? Is it? Yep. Happy Tuesday, guys. Hopefully all is going well. So far we are having a pretty good week. I would say yesterday was, it was pretty decent. We ended up catching one quick trade for about 45 points. Nothing crazy. But coming into market open, I'm kind of seeing a reading here. Obviously, it's not fully formed yet, but it is in the making. So obviously, I want to start the life, to be prepared and everything. But yeah, hopefully all is well, guys. Now, before I explain the setup, um, let me see. Let me start the live stream here. And I really hope we don't inverse this gap soon. Fingers crossed. Let me get the link here. Hold up. Because I want to look for an inverse off this right off open. Just for... I'm assuming we can get something quick here. As long as this holds up, of course. Because we have news at 10. So I kind of want to get it quick beforehand. But we'll see. Because ES does look weak as well. So we could probably get shorts on the way, on the way down. Because I am expecting some, like, buyers, for some reason, they don't look as strong, at least right now. I do feel like we can see somewhat lower very soon. So I'm just getting this prepared before I start the live trading here. But yeah, no, I mean, we are getting a candle flip here, so I'm not sure if we want to go higher. If anything, we probably want to take out this London high over on ES. We take this out and then we go back down. So we're gonna win on that. We're gonna see how that goes. All right, guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and start up the live trading over here in the premium. And I'll just explain the setup from here on out. All right, guys. But yeah, hopefully today's a quick day because I have some stuff to do. I gotta go get a haircut. I have a trip for Thursday, so I gotta get ready. So hopefully today's quick. Yo, what's good, guys? What's good? Now, you guys might be asking why are we live early? Well, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm kind of seeing something. And I don't know. Lately, I haven't been liking going live so late, like 30 minutes after the market opens. I don't know. I just don't feel as prepared, right? So we're on right now. All right. Anyways, so here's the setup. Here's what we're watching, right? So obviously, I'm sure you guys see what's going on right off open. The first candle. First things first. We ended up taking out two very interesting levels. That are levels of liquidity. Main one being obviously the London high up here, and we have some external highs up here, or internal actually, because Asia's up here. So yeah, we're currently taking out all of these highs right now. So obviously coming into market open, I want to be prepared with you guys. I want to see how we want to react based off these levels. If we get a nice bearish reaction, we can go into shorts straight off the bat, before the news comes up, and we just go from there. Right now, I want to say I don't want to say we're gonna sell off just yet. Hopefully we do. But I'm gonna say we're not gonna sell off just yet. Mainly because ES, on the other hand, it's right near this London high, but it hasn't taken it out. So obviously coming into market open, ES does look like the weak one. So I don't know. I'm assuming we don't sell off just. I mean, if we do, that'll be a lot better. But I don't think we do. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I really don't think we do just yet. Now I'm really hoping. Wait, let me kind of put this up. I'm really hoping we don't chop out till the news starts, because I mean, you guys know how it went yesterday. You guys know how it went last time. I mean, the news always messes us up, right? So we're gonna see. But the setup right now, I mean, we do have a setup if we do get the selling to come in, which in my opinion looks pretty nice. I do like it. What is ES doing? I don't know. It's kind of just like frozen there. So like I said, I don't think we sell off until ES takes out this high up here at 6,031.25. Yo, David, can you give me the session indicator? Oh, thank you, Nate, bro. Appreciate you, bro. Anyways, so yeah, right now what we're looking for would be just a simple sell-off. Nothing crazy today. Like I said, we already took out two of the four or five levels of liquidity that we have. So we can expect something soon. Right now, if we don't see anything by like 9:50, like 5 maybe 9:54ish around there, are we gonna take the trade if the news? Yeah, if it comes in strong, I'll risk it. Lately, this week is gonna be a lot of risky trades. Because there's gonna be 10 a.m. news every single day this week, or most days this week, right? So what we're looking out for is some buyer exhaustion around here. Like I said, we already took out two of the levels of liquidity, so we can start expecting something really soon. So we're gonna see. Right, but so far, I mean, we are getting this the selling to come in. As long as we hold below this London low, we should be good. Let me kind of like, there you go. That should work. Let me see. 21, 4, 9, 6, 0.75. I bet. Okay, but yeah, right now, like I said, my eyes are on shorts. This setup, I want to say it looks pretty clean. I mean, we have a DOL sweep. We don't have an MSS just yet. We're not gonna get the MSS until we break below this low right here, which I want to say we should see soon. I mean, the selling is coming in pretty strong, or it was at least. I don't know if we're gonna flip here, which we are, but it was coming in strong, right? So the MSS will form the pretty much once we break below this low right here, we should be good to kind of get the MSS. But so far, I mean, since we are holding below this level of liquidity, I want to say the DOL sweep is kind of getting confirmed. And the reason I say kind of is because I mean, we want of course we want to see how price reacts off this London high right here, and we want price to actually hold below this London high so we can actually get the fully confirmed DOL sweep, right? So we're gonna see how the selling kind of steps, how it kind of steps in here. The only thing that's worrying me is ES is not really getting much of a reaction here. So we don't know if this can really mess up NQ or if it can actually help NQ since there's no buyers over on ES, which, I mean, there just won't be too much of an SMT to really mess us up, right? So we're going to see. But so far, all we have is not much. I'm not going to lie. And I'm going to say we're kind of on in a time crunch right now because we have news at 10. So if we don't get a setup in the next 5 minutes, or if we don't get an entry in the next 5 minutes, we're going to have to wait for news to come out. And you guys know how that goes. I mean, if we wait for news and if it's too volatile, we can kind of miss the entry and the whole setup goes to shit, right? So hopefully we don't go through that, but we're gonna find out. Dave, is your risk management based off your stop loss points, or do you rely on the daily percent? No, I don't do daily percent. I just do based off points. And then the good thing with futures is you can kind of like do the math on how much you're gonna lose per trade. What if the news candle is the inverse? Are you gonna take it? Yeah, but if anything, I'll take that light because I mean, we're trading news. You know what I mean? Are we taking the full size? I don't want to say full size just yet, just because I know news is gonna come out, and if that goes against us, it's gonna be a whole shit show. So today might be another day where if it does play out, we might have to take it a little bit slow. All right, we can't complain. I mean, if it goes our way, we're still making money, just not as much, right? But it's better safe than sorry. So we'll see. Okay. But yeah, so far, I mean, we're not getting too much of a reaction off either sides. I want to say that's mainly because of ES. I mean, they're not really helping each other. Since ES is chopping, I mean, NQ is kind of like the one that has to lead. So we'll have to see. Now, the thing is, I don't want us to really push up any higher into this level of liquidity up here, because that just means that if we do get a sweep here, we're gonna have to wait for a 100-point sell-off just to get an entry, and then an X amount of points to even get a good trade. I mean, so I would much rather have us try to sweep any of these two levels right here, and then we sell off, which will be beautiful. But if we do push up here, we're gonna have to find a setup somewhere up here, which I wouldn't want to do. So I'm gonna give the market to 955. If we don't get an entry by then, I'm just gonna like kind of sit on my hands until the red folder comes out. So we'll see. But in the meantime, let me kind of catch up with the. What about the 15-minute time frame? I'm pretty sure we have a setup on the 15-minute. Yeah, I mean, it's there. If we do take it off the 5-minute, we're gonna have to be very, very careful, because obviously, I mean, if we take a setup on the 5-minute, we're gonna be entering the 15-minute fair value gap. So good thing that you mentioned that. But of course, if the selling is looking really strong, we shouldn't really have an issue with the 15-minute. But you never know. Right? I was NC, bro. It was amazing, bro. I'm going back on the 20th. ES took out the high. Did it actually? Okay, well, it tapped into it. Like I said, I don't know if you guys were in the live earlier or not. It was like 200 people or so. But I did tell you guys, I'm not expecting us to get any sort of sell-off just yet until ES taps into this London high, which just happened, right? So from here on out, we should expect, I want to say, some strong selling to step in very, very soon. Like I said, I'm going to give the market about 4 more minutes before we can take a position. But if we do, it would have to be very, very light, because news is coming out in 10 minutes or 9 minutes. So we'll see. But ES is trying to flip from green to red, which is beautiful. But NQ, on the other hand, is not looking super, well, never mind. I was going to say it's not looking super, super weak, but, we got the candle flip there, right? But we'll see. If we get very, very strong selling here, it'll be the cue to kind of just take the shorts off this inverse, and then we just have to pray that news is bearish. We should wait at least. No, if if we do end up getting the entry before the news comes out, I'm just gonna take it really light. So if it goes against us, I don't really care because it's a light position. But if you guys don't want to risk that and you guys want to wait for news to come out, you can always do that as well. We talking 7 or 5? I want to say like 5. How can I tell how many contracts I have open? At the top of your trade event, it will tell you. It'll be like next to like the position. It'll just tell you how many contracts. So yeah, yeah. If we take starters before the news, yeah, we'll be risking like $200. Nothing crazy. Yeah. Can you copy trade on tops of X? Yeah, of course. It's in the settings. You set it up there. Do you know why I woke up today and my Apex? Oh, I wouldn't know. I don't control that, bro. Maybe you left the trade open or something. How many ticks was stop loss be? Since news is coming out right now, I want to stick to like 30. So like what, like 120 ish, around there. Does anyone know how to fix the issue on NinjaTrader? Unable to connect remote server. I don't use NinjaTrader. But yeah, so far, I mean, sellers they just don't look like they have the control. Maybe maybe we need the buyer exhaustion or something, but I don't know. So far, it's not looking super promising for shorts. David, you still messing with the 30-point stop loss? I'm not gonna lie, bro. Lately, the 30-point stop loss, I know we're risking a lot more, but I've been sizing a lot less, like 7 contracts usually, and I just feel like less stressed in the trade. Like I don't know how to explain it. How many stars? 5? Yeah, 5. I don't know how to explain it. Like the more breathing room the trade has, it just, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. I just like it a lot better. Bro, I got you, Sebastian. Bro, I got you. I'm trying, bro. All right. Anyways, okay. So ES actually, yeah. Now the thing is are we? I think we're creating a gap on the way up. Yeah, we have a 42-point candle. So if this candle closes in 50 seconds, we could probably take a trade off this one and then just trade it into this liquidity down here. Yeah, I think that'll be better. That'll be better because I mean we have liquidity at 565. So if we take that out, we'll just inverse the nearest fair value gap and just get the same reading. I mean, well, now ES is picking up more strength than NQ is, so that's something. I guess ES kind of woke up here. But it's looking like we're gonna have to wait till 10 a.m. That's if we hold. I mean, we gotta hold up this gap for the next 20 seconds. I don't know if we do or not. 45 points. Yeah, but ES ended up taking out this high up here. We're gonna see. Okay, so we close the gap now. The thing, or we close the imbalance. Now we gotta close the gap here. So I would say that the second that we close the gap around here, we're gonna have to be quick because if news comes out bearish, we're gonna have to take it like kind of off the rip. So we'll just do something like this, I would say, and we could look to inverse or target these lows down here. Now today's jolt, right? If today's jolt, oh, wait, we're about to take out this high right here. If today's jolt, it should be a pretty volatile news. I want to say I don't remember how jolts goes, but I'm pretty sure it's like up there. Like it moves the market. But yeah, now that we know that ES took out this high up here, if we end up projecting, although we know that NQ, let's say for example we never take out 565, we can still look to inverses because it seems like ES kind of woke up and it's looking to lead a lot more. So if ES sells off because of this DOL sweep and NQ sells off without getting the DOL sweep, we can still take the inverse because we have the kind of the confluence or the confirmation that ES wants to go down. So if ES is the leading one, you get what I'm saying? It's kind of just NQ is just gonna follow along, the stronger one, right? So we'll see. Now, here, let me kind of get this ready real quick. There you go. Now we're gonna have, if we do end up taking shorts off this, we're gonna have one extra price target, which would be at 21,000. Let me right here, 21,483.25, just like that. And then our stop loss, I want to say we're gonna do about, since we're gonna take this light, I'm gonna do 30. Since we're probably gonna take this as news comes out, so we're gonna have 21,553.50. I really want to take off 565. I mean, we're like 5 points away. We might as well do that, you know. But on the other hand, on the bright side, yes, it's looking weak. Like it wants to go down. I want to say. All right, I'm assuming we took it out, right? Yeah, we just tapped into it. Okay, so news is coming out in 3 minutes. So if news comes out bullish, we're gonna be a little bit kind of screwed for the morning, and we're gonna have to come back PM session. But if it does come out bearish, we could probably get a very, very quick trade off this right here. I want to say. So we'll see. I thought we didn't trade news due to volatility. Oh, we don't trade it before. How light? I'm gonna do like, if we take the trade during like the news candle, I'm gonna do like 5. If the news comes out bearish but we never inverse this gap, I'll do like 7 as time goes on. You know what I mean? I'll let you guys know. Like before I take the trade, I'll obviously let you guys know. Our setups are always on. I think I said it yesterday. Like lately I haven't been liking trading the 10 a.m. news because I mean, like we always get a setup beforehand and it always gets messed up. Like yesterday, for example, we missed out on like a 100-something point trade because of the news. You guys remember the fair value gap projection that we got? We had to take the inverse right after it and get a later entry, but it still worked out. But you know what I mean? Like lately, our setups have been getting messed up by these news or these reports that come out. So we'll see. But like I said, you guys see how ES wants to go down. Obviously, we don't know if it wants to or not because news is gonna come out, and depending on whatever happens there, we go from there. But right now, ES it looks weak. Like if ES leads, NQ can really sell off here. But look at this. I mean, we're getting way too much buying right now. But it's probably the news anticipation. So we're probably gonna get a push up here or something before we go down. I don't know. We'll find out. But yeah, like I said, if news comes out bullish, we're probably gonna have to come back PM session because, I mean, actually, no, I don't know. Maybe I'm talking too quick. We'll see how it comes out. Let's see if I mean, the more levels of liquidity that we take out, the better. Because these are levels of liquidity that we don't have to worry about going on, throughout the day. You know what I mean? So the more we take out now, the better. The more confirmations we have and all that stuff, I guess you could say. But we'll see. On the other hand, like I said, ES. It looks like it wants to go down. But guys, in the next 30 seconds, I want you guys to be ready. Because if we do get a quick entry, you know what I mean? Like the market is not going to wait for you guys. And, so if we say that we're in, just kind of click it. But yeah, because it seems like we might want to sell off very soon. I mean, we're getting some sort of a sign of a sweep. So we'll find out. But yeah, news is coming out in about 5 seconds. So be ready, guys. Be ready. Let me kind of have this here just in case. All right, there's Jolts. Is it bullish? I don't think it came out yet. This is just kind of like the buy up. Now let me see. Let me open up Forex Factory because if we are bullish, then we might be yeah, it's still pending. So I mean, if we take out more, if the more liquidity we take out, the better. But I just don't want to go up too high up. You know what I mean? It hasn't come out yet, so we could probably still get a reaction here in the market. Look at that. There's just, did it come out? Okay, yeah, it came out. Now I don't know how to read this shit, so I don't know if it's bullish or not. Yeah, I mean, we've taken out every single level of liquidity, or most levels of liquidity to the upside. Now the question is can we hold below this Asia low? If we can, then we're super good, right? So it all comes down to this candle right here. If we get a green to red candle, I mean, this trade is gonna be like perfect. Now, if this candle does nothing and it remains green, then it's gonna be a little bit questionable. So we don't know. But we'll see. I mean, the market's not really reacting like crazy. I mean, we are getting a nice reaction for sellers, which is a good sign because I mean, we're getting a sweep and everything. Or it seems like we want to get a sweep. I don't want to talk too quick, but it's just like, yes, looks like it wants to go down when NQ is kind of just holding up. It's trying to go up. You know what I mean? So we need to wait for that buyer exhaustion to just get out of the way. once we get that, then we get this inverse, and we're pretty much good to go. So yeah, we'll see. Full size now because news will be over. I don't know. I'll probably do like 7. I don't know. Because remember, I'm still doing a 30-point stop loss. I like that stop loss. But it's up to you guys. If you guys want to do full, then go ahead. But fingers crossed we can get hopefully we can get a green to red candle here. I mean, the news is kind of already out. So now another thing is we have Trump talking when the market opens. I mean, when the market closes at 5:10. So I don't know if the market wants to chop for that. I don't know. I want to say no. Maybe it'll chop out during the PM session, but during the AM, I don't think so. Are you leaving the buy order in? I don't set buy orders. I kind of just enter manually. But I'm really hoping we can get some some buyer exhaustion very soon. Because like I said, the higher we go, the worse the setup is gonna be, or not even the worst. We're just not gonna have a setup. And I don't know if I want to trade during the PM session because now, a few hours ago it was posted that Trump is gonna be speaking today. So obviously, the market kind of waits on that. Investors and everything, they wait on that, and it just makes the market really, really slow until he speaks. So, what time is PM session? At 1 p.m. It starts at 1 p.m. When people wanted Trump to, how about the market lower? I mean, but that takes time. It's not something you can just do like, oh, okay, we're gonna lower the prices. You know what I mean? It takes time. So I'm sure he's doing something about it. But he has to do, it's like a leading thing that leads onto it. Do we use the next fair value gap if this candle closes green? For now I want to say use this one. We don't have anything here, so the only valid one that we have nearby, or well, we have 2, but I would use the nearest one just so we can get small one, previous 5 minute. Are you talking about this one? No, there's no gap here. No, there's none there. Now it seems like I'm really hoping that price can hold below the 600 level. That'll be like perfect. I don't care how long it takes for us to like get the sellers to step in. As long as we hold below 600, we should be good. But it looks like buyers want to step in. So I don't know if we go higher or not. But we'll see. 15-minute. What do we have on the 15-minute? Yeah, the 15-minute. If we inverse this gap, we're gonna get the same entry off the 5 and 15-minute, which is perfect as well. We just need sellers. The only thing, we have the setup, right? We have everything lined up perfectly. All we need now is, do we have sellers or not? If we don't have any sellers, then obviously we can't work with anything. But if we do get the sellers, then I can definitely give you guys a good working setup that that would for sure we'll like a lot. But I don't know. I mean, the way this is looking right now, it seems like there's no sellers. Like they're trying to step in, but there's no selling strength. Like there's no interest in selling. So we don't know how this is gonna work out. But obviously, I mean, if we keep breaking above and all that stuff, I'm just not gonna take anything until we get that confirmation for the shorts. But yeah. How was the news? Honestly, it didn't really do anything. I don't know if it was bullish. It says here the report was 7.6 million when the forecast was 8. I don't know how to read this stuff. I'm not gonna lie to you. So I don't know if it was bullish or not. I mean, the market kind of went up. So I want, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. So where would the MSS be at? Well, we don't have one yet. The MSS will look somewhat like this. So what we're waiting on right now is for sellers and the MSS to kind of form. So now that we took out this liquidity at the Asia high, we want to start seeing price do something like this and start creating lower highs and lower lows, right? But obviously, I mean, look at this. We keep breaking new highs, so I don't know. Fingers crossed that we get something soon. But I don't know. I don't think we have a gap here, right? Now, even if we do have a gap here, I wouldn't want to take this one. Just because I'm pretty sure that this takes us straight into the 15-minute. So it's going to be risky, if anything. It does look good, though. I don't know. I mean, if the setup comes in strong, I'll probably consider taking this one. I'm just really hoping we get sellers soon, because this setup, in my opinion, looks Really, really perfect. Like, I mean, we've taken out most of the levels of liquidity to the upside that we created overnight. So it would make sense that we get selling soon. I just don't know how soon. You know? Nope. Krabby got off live. Bro, this quick, bro? Yo, bro, what are you doing here, bro? It's like the market has been, bro. What's up? What, bro? The people, the members we're talking about it here, bro. What happened, bro? We just ripped, bro. I've been waiting on sellers literally all morning, and I haven't seen a single sign of selling. Yeah, you got off quick though. Was that like your like? Yeah, I mean, bro, we're probably gonna chop out PM. We have Trump speaking. Yeah, but like like the anticipation. That's usually how it is. I mean, I don't know. I gotta go get a haircut later. Bro, it was amazing, bro. Yeah. I'm going back this month. Bro. Wait, I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna get a little tip of written, bro. Anyways, um, the sellers are non-existent. Yeah, I mean, you guys heard Krabi as well. He literally got off because there's too much buying. Like we've taken like going long anywhere up here is Krabi. You tell him, bro. Like, bro, I want lower, bro. I mean, we're at a point where like we can't go long here, bro. You know. Yeah, no, I said it as well, but we're looking too strong. So I don't know. I don't think I can get a setup anytime soon. From the looks of it, bro, it's looking like. I mean, bro, look at this buying. It's too much. Um, and I'm not saying I don't have setups. It's just it's gonna like what I mean, like for it to play out and everything. It's too much. It's too much. So we'll see. But I'll wait it out. I mean, I'll give it like the market like an hour. If anything, worst case, I come back PM session with you. But I don't know. I don't know if I like the idea of PM with Trump speaking soon or today. And then, yeah, if anything, I mean, bro, surprisingly, yesterday I caught a trade in a very bad market, bro. Did you see that, bro? What the hell, bro? Bro. Anyways, bro, you saw the market yesterday, right, bro? Shit was crazy. That's what I'm saying, bro. Literally. But yeah, I know, bro. I already told everyone like this market condition for today. I'm not gonna say it's bad. It's just bad for us because we can't really. I'm not gonna chase longs. I mean, we've taken out every single price target that we would have had. Um. So the question is now is when can we get sellers? I mean, if we can even get sellers. You know. So it's kind of like a waiting game. We gotta see. We gotta see if price can kind of reverse. I mean, if it can reverse, we can definitely catch something. But in the meantime, bro, it's you know PRTR is booming. Let me see. Isn't that like that bike company, the electric bike? Now, wait. Now that we took out another level of liquidity, we could probably we could probably look to inverse this. The problem is if we inverse this, there's just so much that's gonna be holding us down from going lower. So we need like okay, I'm gonna say this right now. If we do end up getting shorts, like if we're gonna be looking for shorts, we need to make sure that we can't take any risky trade today. We need to make sure that the selling looks as good as possible. Oh, defense company? Oh. That's why I think about the other one. Anyways, we need sellers to be as strong as possible because the reason I say that is we have so many things that are holding us from going any lower. I mean, right now we have 4 fair value gaps on the 5-minute time frame, and we have more to the downside, right? So if we want to try to inverse every single gap on the way down, we need a lot of sellers to be in control, right? If we can't, if we can't get those sellers, then, but right now, we are getting some selling here. So, oh, never mind. Like, bro, like, okay, you guys saw that, right? Never mind. And okay, price is kind of picking up here. I mean, I don't know, sellers are, they might be stepping in a little bit more here. So who knows? Maybe that's what we're looking for. We don't know. On the other hand, yes, it's just all these gaps here. They're kind of like, they heard me, bro. Like ES here is looking, I don't know. Like I want to give it more time, but if we do end up getting some signs of a short here, it would have to be like something like they're still doing 5 counts. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to, I don't want to be that guy that tries to go short in a very, very bullish trend. So if we do try it, I'll do it light just in case it works out. We make something, but if it doesn't, then we'll be fine. What fair value gap do we use? That's the question. All right, that's a good question. Right now I kind of want to use the most recent one, but it depends on the volume. If we get very strong selling, I'll do this one. If we get like whatever selling or whatever, I'll just wait for this one to get inverse. I wait for the reaction. Depending on the reaction, we look to inverse this one. You know what I mean? So we'll see. But right now, from the looks of it, I mean, it doesn't look horrible. It really doesn't. Bro, our final price target will be 360 points. I doubt we see that. But let me kind of have more of a realistic target here. I'll just do this. There you go. Should we not check what ES is? Should we not check to see what ES is doing with the Asia high? No, the Asia high is far, bro. We're probably not gonna see that. 306 points is realistic, bro. I guess it could be. But yeah, I'm gonna pay attention to this next candle. Wait, in fact, let me kind of type this up. Okay, so if we do take shorts, hopefully I can type this up in time. Our price targets will look like this. Hold on, let me type this. Don't tell me we sell off really quick here because I need to. 0.50. Hold up. Okay. Then we would target 545.25, and then we will target 483.25, and then 405.25. Okay. Hold up. Hold up. Bro, what the hell? Yo, we have 130 viewers on YouTube. What the fuck? I didn't even notice. All right, let's see. Hold up. Oh shit. Let me lock in. Let me stop looking at the viewers. because we are getting very strong selling to come in right now. Wait, guys, because we could probably get an entry soon. I mean, if the selling looks very, very strong, we can look to do something like this. Now, our first price, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, our first price target, bro. I'm probably not even. I'm not gonna trim here. I know that. But our first PT is like, oh, actually no, it's wait no. Yeah, it's like 10 points. I'm not trimming there. 15. Yeah, no. But I don't know, because this gap right here is kind of scaring me. I obviously I want to target it, but I don't want to trim at 15 points. I feel like that's the risk reward there is not really good at all. So we'll see. Hopefully sellers can step in soon. I mean, it looked like they were stepping in pretty good, you know. But let's see. I mean, it's just by the way, guys, if we do end up taking this, I'm gonna take this like pretty light. I'm gonna do like 7 contracts. I'm not trying to say that the setup looks bad or anything. It's just we're taking shorts in a very, very bullish trend. Like buyers are in control like a lot. So we don't know if this is gonna be like a retracement. We don't know if it's gonna be a pullback. We don't know. You know what I mean? We don't know. It should be like, you know, we're waiting on some sign of a reversal. I mean, we have the DOL sweep. We don't have an MSS yet. We need to wait for sellers to step in. So for now, I'm gonna, you know, I'm gonna say this is more of a pullback. But if we get strong selling to just inverse this gap, I would just take it, you know? But yeah, I mean, so 7 constants in light. Well, it is for me. I don't know about you, bro. You know, it depends on your account size. Are you taking this light? Yeah, yeah. The thing is, you see what I mean? Like we were chasing to the fair value gap, and then we're going back up. So, in my opinion, I feel like most retracements that we're gonna get is gonna be a bounce. You know, I mean, if we get another flip here, that'll be amazing. But from the looks of it, I mean, we're taking a big risk here, taking shorts in a very bullish trend. You guys know, usually we're pretty quick to catch, you know, reversals and everything. But in this case, I don't feel as confident trying to time the top because there's just way too much strength here, way too much strength. So I don't know. I'm not sure. Hold up. But yeah, I mean, look at this. You guys see what I mean? So I don't think shorts are ready yet. I don't think they're ready to take yet. I mean, worst case, we wait for the buyer. I mean, we're gonna get buyer exhaustion. I want to say soon, or sometime today. So whenever we get it, I mean, you know, we can maybe ES wants to Asia high, but that's far. Look at this. That's like, how many points is this? That's 15 points. That's 15 points on ES is a lot, bro. Why bearish? Because okay, for the people that are new here, the whole reason I'm bearish is, I mean, I don't really have a choice to be bullish. I know the market is going up, but with the way I trade, I don't like to chase after our price targets got hit, right? So if we were to be in longs, we would be trimming on the way, you know, right now, right? We wouldn't be entering, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? So if the market gives us a long position, I wouldn't feel comfortable taking it just because you get what I'm saying. Like we've hit every single target that we would have targeted if we were in longs already. You know what I'm saying? So I have no choice but to be bearish from here on out. So that's kind of why we're just waiting on something to come along. Ready to go? Thank you, bro. Thank you. Maybe wait for a 15-minute NQ candle close. And see if the inverse forms from the fair value gap. If anything, because now that you mention it, the inverse off this one, this second fair value gap would be a lot better. But this won't be like a risky but like earlier entry. But this won't be a later but safer entry. You get what I'm saying? So, you know, you guys can choose between the two. I mean, if the selling is there, I mean, we can probably still, you know. The chat got switching up. I don't know. I don't think we see sells soon. I don't. I want to hope for it, but I don't know. I don't I don't really feel too confident about it. My ES Asia high is at 657. Nah, it's up here. This is where Asia opened yesterday. Yeah, up here. They're very chopping the 1 minute now. I mean, it's probably just price consolidating. This could probably lead to buyer exhaustion and we get the selling soon. Who knows? Who knows? I don't think that's gonna sell off. We're waiting on it, bro. We don't think so either, but we're prepared. That's what it is. We're just preparing ourselves. $180 away from passing 5 accounts, bro. Take it slow, all right? Don't oversize. Take profits quick. You know what I mean? Possible MSS forming. Nothing yet. I mean, I would want to see us break below this low right here to kind of get it confirmed, but so far nothing. Now we are getting some aggressive selling, starting to come in. Like you see what I'm saying? Like we haven't gotten a selling candle like this in practically all morning. Now the question is I don't know. Do I want to take a risky entry and take it off this gap and possibly get stopped out with this gap right here, or do I wait for a safer entry? But we're missing out on on 30 points. I mean, if the selling is strong, I'll do this one. I mean, fuck it. Regardless, I'm gonna take a little bit light. Regardless, at least in a day like today, I'm much rather just do that. So I'll just take a riskier entry. I'm type here that I'm taking it light. So I mean, if you guys if I end up entering off this one and you guys don't like it, obviously you guys know what you're looking for as well. If you guys don't like this much of a risk, you guys can always enter off this one. It'll be a lot better. Not only are you getting 2 inverses, but you're also getting a 15-minute inverse right here as well, which is amazing, right? So it depends on whatever you guys want to do. Me, I kind of want to take the risk. I just like the way the selling is coming in pretty aggressively. But keep in mind there is a a con behind it. Like it's a risk. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes. But so far, it's just I want to say sellers are trying to step in, but buyers are still kind of in control. Obviously, I mean they have the complete trend here. You know what I mean? We don't have an MSS yet as well, so we can't even say that sellers are in control. But with the way the selling is coming in, it seems like they're trying to step in. So we could probably expect something very very soon. The thing is, I don't know how soon. You know, Kyrie's so quiet right now, but he's locked in, bro. Let me see. So the first fair value gap is A+. It's there. It's there. I mean, it's a good one. We know that because we bounced from it. So it shows that there's there's like it's being respected right now. You know what I mean? Like we got a bounce from it. It shows that buyers were interested around this area, which is usually how it works. So, you know, so I would say it's a good one. The thing is the entry it could be better. You know what I mean? There's just too much stopping us from going lower. So we got to be like very very careful with the setup. But it's a risk that I'm kind of willing to take here. Um, what? Krabby? uh, no, there's no MSS. There's no MSS yet, Kenny. We're waiting on it. We're waiting on it. I would say we get the MSS once we break below this low right here. It should be like kind of confirmed, or not confirmed, but it'll be there. It'll be there. If we do take this inverse, would you add more contracts on the second inverse? I don't know. I always say I do, but I end up just trimming on the way down. NQ's in a 2 hour. Bro, I've never heard of the 2 hour time frame. It's not a very popular one. I think it's leading right now until ES6 out the Asia high. Maybe. You do have a point there. The thing is, I mean, we've pumped up so much that I don't know. I mean, we've taken off so many levels of liquidity to the upside that I don't know if we can see that Asia high, at least right now. You know what I mean? It's not in my best interest. So I kind of want to see a sweep from this high up here. But so far, we're not really showing signs of anything. So we'll see. We'll see. Reacting to the 1 hour for rally gap, we just tapped into it. The thing is, I don't on the 1 hour time frame, you're gonna find a gap like everywhere. So that's why I don't really pay attention to the 1 hour. But it's good to know. It's good to know. I'm just waiting to see if we can get sellers to step in. If not, I'll say maybe just come back PM session. You know. Let me kind of let me type this up in the chat real quick. But there you go. Bros, good thing I didn't read that out loud. I don't want that to be on stream. But thank you. What's streaming on the way down? We're just taking profits on, like, if the trade is going in our favor, we're just kind of like, you know, just selling on the way down. You know, we're just securing profits. Exiting, yeah, exactly. You're just like scaling. I want to say that's the word. You're just scaling on the way down. That's the word, right? I always say trimming. It's the same thing. David always does a decide when, bro. Because I ignore it, but I see it, bro. We're trying to form a higher high, but we also we're not forming lower lows either. You know, so we're kind of like stuck in like this consolidation phase. Sellers are cash today. They need the money for when Trump speaks. I mean, maybe. Who knows? Who knows? Let me see. Is there a certain percent of accounts you trim in trades? No, I copy trade. So if I trim on one, it will trim on everything. All right, let's see. Hold on. We might be getting some selling soon. I mean, hopefully we get the buyer exhaustion sometime around here. I mean, ES is also going into this gap, so we might be getting signs of something here. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, the selling is coming in pretty aggressive. Now, I want to see how aggressive it comes in, because that's going to determine whether I want to take this inverse off the 5 minute or this one down here. Because obviously, if we see price doing this, we don't want to take it. We need price to just shoot down all the way. The more volume, the better. But right now, ES is bouncing off this 5 minute, the midpoint from the 5 minute. So we'll see if sellers can kind of like pick this back up. But yeah, I mean, I want to see they're trying to step in. Obviously, there's still some buyers, you know, still trying to step in here. Because obviously the trend on the higher time frame is still bullish. But maybe we can get a little sell off here for hopefully even a quick scalp like yesterday. Who knows? Yeah, so far, I mean, yeah, that wasn't the best thing. All right, back to waiting, I guess. The 15-minute FEG is nice. If it breaks below that, it'll be below the Asia high. You guys keep saying that that ES has taken out the Asia high. It hasn't. It hasn't. The Asia high is really far away, guys. It's all the way up here. This is where Asia opened, guys. Last night, Monday, right here. We opened. The Asia high is very far away. We're nowhere near it. Now we have taken out liquidity. Yeah. That's one thing, but we haven't taken out the Asia high. I don't know if you guys have the wrong levels or something. No, it opens at 6. Kidding. 6 p.m. Bro. All right, let's see. Maybe we can get another selling candle here. I'm not sure. I just don't like the way that price is moving right now. Because if we do take a trade around here, we're probably going to get chopped out. So, call it? Not yet. Not yet. I obviously want to give the market its own time. But from the looks of it, it's not looking too promising, you know? I think my indicator's wrong. How do I fix that? Just go to settings right here. Click inputs, and then this should be the time. I'll give you guys like 10 seconds to screenshot it. Up to 88 per account, should I call it? For now, I want to say for now, the market is moving decently. I don't know about now, but yeah, if you're up, you're better off just coming back tomorrow. You see us struggling here. You know what I mean? Thank you. I got you. When you get a payout approved, how long does it take for Apex to request your payment method in full? They don't request it. You have to put it in beforehand. So you go over to payout method, and then they'll just ask for your routing number and everything. And then you just type it there, and then when you request it, they just send it instantly to your bank account. Or not instantly, in like a day or two. Yeah, but no, look at the 5-minute. It's even worse. Or actually, no, the 1 minute is worse, but the 5-minute is also showing it. Thank you. Of course, I got you. Can I change it to business after? Oh, on what? On what? David, do you still trade within the 30%? Yeah, we have to. Yeah, yeah. Bro. How do you do your taxes? Do you have an LLC? Yeah. I suggest everyone should have one. But yeah, I do. And then you can write off everything with Apex as a business expense. At least for the LLC. I don't know if you could do it under personal. But you could do evals, you could do PA fees, everything. So if you guys don't know that, now you do. So when you're filing it, make sure that you write all of this off as an expense. Write off rent, electricity, computers, exactly, and evals and PAs. Technically, you should be able to since it's a 1099. Under personal, I think so. I don't know. I'm not really filing them under my personal. I'm filing them under LLC. But under LLC, it worked just fine. So, TopStep 2. Yeah. The thing is, TopStep they don't allow. Okay, the thing is, TopStep doesn't allow you to create an account with your LLC. Apex, on the other hand, they can you can either do SSN or tax ID or EIN or whatever, and you know what I mean, like you can file everything, like all the payouts. If you get payouts and everything, you can file them under that LLC, right? But with TopStep, I'm pretty sure it's only under personal, which is kind of a bummer, but that's how it is. You know what I mean? We can't really do much about it. You can write it off under personal because it's 1099. Okay, so there it is, guys. There it is. How much does it cost to start an LLC? It depends where you live. Every state has a different fee. I don't know how much it is in Florida. I think it's like $100 or something. But I paid what is it called? A CPA to do it for me. So I paid a little bit extra. But it's better to do it right than an LLC. It's pretty much you telling the government that that you have a business. You know, wire payouts to your business account. Yeah, that works too. I think so. Is better states for incorporating? Eh. I mean, to me, it's nothing super serious. At least not yet. So, if you made the account already, can you add the LLC later? No, you're gonna have to make a whole nother account on Apex. Yeah. So if you guys want to follow everything under your LLC and under your EIN and everything, you're gonna have to make a brand new account and sign up with your business name and everything. It's annoying. Yeah, I know. Trust me, I was just as bummed out as you guys were. But at the end of the day, it's fine. You know what I mean? If anything, you can have two accounts that you can use, So look in the bright side, Why don't you just show with the live account? I like the way the copy trading works. Apex only allows one account. Yeah. No, but there's people that get away with two accounts. I don't think they're too strict on it. Should I get a 25K account? Yeah, why not? Okay, guys. So far in the market, it's looking. Yeah. Someone said it. This market sucks. Yeah, it's not looking the best. It's not looking the best. But you guys already know when Krabby joins, that's when the market is bad. Bro, yeah. Bro, because you always join when the market is horrible, bro. Tasha thinks I'm my mom, bro. Let me see. I had a business and personal account. Apex closed my business account and left only my personal account. Oh, well, bro, you just gotta learn how to not get caught, bro. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, if you're really serious about it and you want to have like 40 accounts, you have to have different VPNs, different everything, bro. Different Wi-Fi, different everything. But yeah. If you have two different LLCs, can you have two different accounts? No. Apex only allows one, but there's ways to get around it. When you hear we're cooked. Let me see. I'm not sure, JW. I'm not sure. I don't want it either. I don't at all. If ES can sweep high by PM, we can have a good PM trade form. The thing is, we could, yeah. The thing is that we have Trump speaking later, so I don't want to say it, but we're probably going to be very, very choppy during the PM session. So I don't want to say anything too quick, but today it's kind of, from the looks of it right now, it's kind of leaning more towards a cash day, which obviously is better than a red day. I mean, you guys see the market. There's not much that we can really cook up here, so we're just waiting on that. Keep moving up. Yeah, bro, we can't really catch anything. Not yet. Is the LLC just to help with taxes? Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's more like to it, but yeah. Like you get benefits from it. Patience, yeah, of course, bro. Of course. That's what we do here. Yeah, bro, get a CPA. Bro, please get one. It's so much better than doing it alone. How's Tradify? I think they're pretty legit, I would say, from what I've heard. I might get off. Should want to go? Yeah, I mean, bro, there's nothing wrong with it. And I might get off soon as well. I don't like this either. Similar to Friday, and you went up all day until Trump announced tariffs in the afternoon. That's when everything tanked. It seems like it's the same setup today. Yeah, probably. Do we call it? I don't want to say yet, but from the looks of it, bro, probably. Yeah, we should probably call it soon. It's gonna be one of these days. Did Trump remove income tax for you guys in the States? I heard about that, but I don't think so. That's like that's huge, The Fair Value Gap right now is the Fair Value Gap forming right now too small? Yeah. There's no volume here. Let me check them on YouTube. Let me see. How do you go about filing taxes on profits? They all send you everything. They send you all the stuff. You just give it to your CPA and you're good. You ever thought of having multiple friends to open an Apex account so you can trade more accounts? Nah, bro, that's OD. That's too much. Hire friends, bro. Do we have to report our winning if it's above? I think it's if it's above 2K, right? No, it's above. You have to report winnings if it's above 600 or 2,000, right? I don't know. Something like that. I don't know. 600? Yeah, $600. Yeah. So anything above 600 you have to report. Next use S corps. That's what I have right now. You know if it's the same with my fund the futures? Yeah, man. Like with the tax things. I don't know. I don't know how they work with that. No profit, no tax. Yeah. But this market is so boring today. Patience, 100%, bro. Yeah, we're here waiting. Trust me, but you know it is boring though. Let me see. Getting off for 10 minutes. Be right back. Markets, bro. Not even for 10 minutes, but you can probably get off for the whole day. Move nearly 300 points. Yeah. So we're just waiting on the selling signal, but so far nothing, man. If you have a personal account and business account, can you copy trade? No, it has to be one. You can only choose one of them. Going to work? Hey, bro, peace out, bro. Peace out. Take it easy, my man. Do you ever click buy, sell, just to count? If the profit is above $50, they'll count it as a day. So yeah, sometimes. So Blasters, I just need 22 points on 5 micros or 17 points on 6 micros to be funded. Plus the one funded in that group will be green, then 2. So I'm waiting. Bro, don't force anything, bro. Trust me. Don't force anything. Obviously, we're all watching. You know, there's like, what, 700 of you guys watching this on YouTube and Discord combined. You know, I'm sure you guys, you guys are watching the same market as me. There's nothing here. You know? There's nothing here. So... Let me see. Launch your own pump and dump and split profits, bro. Anyways, David, can you start a trade on your computer and finish on your phone for TradeAway? Yeah, you can. Just use the app. When will Trump speak? At 5:10 p.m. EST. Is it just me or are the things getting laggier with more people? What do you mean laggier? Like lives? I don't think so. Bro, oh my, bro, I have 13 MS. I've never seen it that low on Discord. So yeah, it's definitely not laggy at all. Okay. How long did it take for you to become consistently profitable with the strategy you're using now? I started seeing profits like, I don't know. That's a good question. I would have to see my journal because I'm sure you guys knew this. I didn't always trade this strategy. I used to trade trendline breakouts and everything. I mean, we all did. You know? But yeah, no, I would say like a good year. I mean, I'm still, you guys, I'm sure you guys know this. I'm still like tweaking the strategy. It's not like I'm not gonna say it's perfect yet. Like it works, but like you know what I mean? Like we're still making mistakes here and there, so it's still in the works. You know what I mean? Like we're still like tweaking it. But in the meantime, like for now, I would say like we have it figured out, or not figured out, but like you get what I'm saying? Like we're consistent with it. I mean, obviously, I'm speaking based off results. David, what copy trader do you use? I use the TradeAway one. Better than TradeAway copy? TradeAway is really good. The one from TradeAway. But I've never used that one. Rapid Conto. Yeah, David, would you say, let me see. David, would you say you still make more money from trading or from educating? I'm not gonna lie. More from, because I have like affiliates and everything, so definitely more from educating. But obviously, everything adds up. I can't control how much I grow. You know what I mean? So obviously, I'm gonna be as transparent as I can. Trade your CA for a GTR? No, bro. This CA is staying with me for a while, bro. It's my favorite card, bro. I appreciate. Well, of course, of course. I mean, obviously, like I said, I can't really control how much I grow. Obviously, the more results I put out and the more people that see it, the more you guys talk about it and everything. Like it gets me out there. Thank you, Liver, bro. Thank you. Look at the sell off. Yeah, I'm watching, bro. I'm watching. So far, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. And I just don't like this chop. So if we do get this inverse, I don't know if I'm gonna take it. I'll probably just wait for this one. It'll be a lot better. So yeah, in fact, I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna look to take an entry based off this one, this gap right here. And then we just target this gap. It just looks better, guys. It just looks so much better. Because on the 5-minute, we still need we don't have an MSS. We still need a lot of selling. We got to inverse this gap. We got to see the reaction. I'd much rather not force it here and just wait for like a 30-point sell-off and then just get the extra entry. We'll be fine. You know what I mean? We'll be fine. How much do you love us? You show up every time you say you hang out. Well, of course, man. Of course. I mean, okay, look, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm sure we all know this. Trading is the loneliest career that you could possibly ever choose. You know what I mean? So it's always good to get on live, you know what I mean? Like, and just talk to you guys. It's a lot bored. It's a, like, it gets boring when it's, you get what I'm saying? Like, it can get very, very lonely. So a twin turbo ZR1, bro, that shit is dangerous, bro. Move to PR, no taxes. I don't know. Yo, Krabby, wait, didn't you say that you wanted to move out yesterday, like on Twitter? Bro, what? Bro, I'm gonna visit. I'm gonna be like, what's the word? Wait, let's see. Surprise. Okay, look, you think of Dubai and you think of like a super expensive house, but surprisingly, it's pretty affordable over there. Yeah, and bro, you're gonna live like a fucking king, bro. Bro, yeah, I know, and you don't even have to say it, bro. I already know. Like, are you like being dead ass on it though? Let me see. Would you trust Tradevate to open a live account with a lot of money? Like, yeah, bro. Tradevate is one of the best brokers out there for futures, if not the best one. What's good again? Yo, Blast. I'm gonna head back to your server in a week, bro. That's cool, bro. That's cool. How the hustle? No, Krabby, that's for you, bro. That question's for you. Bro, someone said how are the hustle over there in Dubai? Bro. And now the tariffs and everything, bro, it just like it can't get any worse. Dude. Bro. But like are you looking to move out like this year or I mean the earlier the better, right? Bro. I'm gonna be visiting you, bro. I'm gonna be in Dubai, bro. Yeah, bro. What? Bro, I gotta get what is the Emirates first class? The $40,000 ticket. Yeah. Nah, but bro, first class over there is like fire, bro. Move to the States? No, bro. Look. No, hell no. Bro, you know that people that okay, look, hear me out. The people that live in Dubai and they visit the States, they say they're like, bro, what the hell is this? Like they do not like it here. And that's for a good reason. Like Kevin, do you know what I'm saying? Bro, like the people trust me, like the people that come from Europe, the people that come from Dubai, the people that come from like everywhere, when they come over here, they're like, bro, you know? Yeah, bro. If I move out, like if I move out from Miami, I want to do like what TGR does? He stays 100 days here and he stays like 100 days over there, and he switches back and forth. So I want to do that because obviously I want to see my mom and everything. So and I also like Miami a lot, but I gotta let it go, bro. In Dubai, yeah, bro, you're living in a desert, bro. Obviously, he's a mommy boy. Yeah, bro. There's nothing wrong with that. If anything, that's a flex, bro. Um, do you need a visa for Dubai? No, you just need a passport, right? Yeah. Miami is nice. It's just like it's not like yeah. Oh, bro, crabby, bro. You know what I tried? That was actually really. It doesn't look good, but okay, guys, hear me out. Hear me out. Have you guys ever tried the Dubai chocolate, bro? Bro, that shit was so good, bro. It's like it's just with a P. Pistachios, bro. Oh my, bro, I'm gonna go buy it today, bro. It's so expensive. Like, bro, one bar apparently is like $35 for one bar. Yes, bro, it's so good. It's the best chocolate I've ever had. The best chocolate I've ever had, and I've never heard about it until now, like on TikTok. Let me see. Everyone is different. Oh, I got a cramp. Oh shit. Everyone is different. Definitely depends on your hobbies and values. Move to the middle. Yeah, obviously, yeah. For me, I like a place with like mountains and shit. So Miami is not. I've lived the Miami life. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, I'm done with. I'm done with it. Yeah, bro. It's so boring, bro. Like, look, if you come to Miami for like a week, maybe 2 weeks, maybe even a month, it'll be the best time of your life. You know what I mean? There's clubs, there's cars, there's this, there's the beach, there's jet skiing and everything, right? But bro, after you've done everything, like it's like, bro, I don't. You know what I mean? Like that's it. Like you don't care about it. Exactly, and it gets boring as hell. Hey, I'm from Italy, so be careful when we talk. Bro, I'm from Italy too, bro. I'm Italian. Yeah. I bet you didn't know that. um, Same shit everywhere. You just gotta find what works for you. Exactly, bro. Exactly. Is there much to do in Miami under 21 per over 18? Uh, yeah. You could do most. Yeah, you could do most things. Me neither. Let me see. If I didn't make an LC, how much would I be paying in taxes? Um, Nothing crazy. Like nothing like. I mean, it depends. Obviously, it depends how much money you made, and how much you spent and everything. But yeah, and bro, yeah, drive around Miami, bro. I do that every night, bro. Like every night. Yeah. Yep. Loki, yeah, bro. Dubai would be fire, bro. Bro, Krabby, look at this market, bro. Look at this market. You think PM is gonna be good? Oh yeah, and look, okay. One thing that I hate about Miami, hold on, like, okay, look, I'm really cheap. I'm a very cheap guy. Like, Krabby, you know this, bro. Like I like to save money when Okay, bro. With Miami, every other place that I go to, bro, it's like like in Miami, you have to pay for parking. Bro, I hate doing that shit, bro. It's the stupidest shit ever, bro. Bro, you want to go get food at McDonald's? You gotta pay for parking. You want to go to the beach? You gotta pay $20 for parking for an hour. Like, bro, it's a it's such a scam, bro. It's the biggest scam. Buys 35. No, I mean, bro, that's for the experience, bro. You know what I mean? Like on everything paying for parking. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like it's stupid as hell, bro. And they charge like like I get it, like $2 for like an hour or like the whole day or whatever. No, they're charging like $20 to $30 for parking. Miami is it's way too expensive. It's nice, but welcome, bro. I want to go to LA. What's your top speed on? Yeah, to visit. Yeah, what's your top speed on the CA so far? I want to say like I think like 150, just like a little bit above 150. Bro, I'm not going. I'm not doing anything more than that. Like that shit. Like I was shitting myself. You do any fishing south from? I don't really fish too much. No. LA over Miami. I mean, bro, like, what is there to do in LA? It's like the same thing. You go downtown. There's shopping and you know, and I don't really buy designer like that. LA is worse than Miami. That's what I'm thinking. Like, bro, like, yeah, like even for visiting, bro. Someone in my YouTube said, bro, you look like Max Christie, the NBA player. Who is that? Max, bro, bro, bro. Never say some shit like that, bro. I'm gonna ban you from the chat, bro. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, let me see. What's your ES Asia high? Uh, 6,069. There's nothing better than Miami and the actually the best city in the world. I guess. I mean, I'm not saying that Miami's bad. It's just after a while, it's like, bro, like it's nice. Yeah, yeah. Don't get me wrong, it's nice. But living here, mm-mm. Um, wait, what the hell? Wait, we're starting off. Wait, never mind. I was looking at ES. I was about to say. It's the same thing in Miami to me. I visited a week and got bored real fast. That's what I'm saying. Like everyone said, it depends on your lifestyle. Like if you like going to clubs, you like drinking, you like doing this and this and this. Miami is like the perfect place for you. But I don't do any of that shit. I wouldn't say I'm more of a like more of like a nature guy. I want to say. Like I like looking at views. Like that's my type of thing. Yeah, and trade at 3 in the morning. I'm good. um, looks like a younger. Oh, isn't that the dude, bro? You're not gonna believe me. I was driving with him in Brickell. Like I saw him and I was just because there's like Lambos and shit everywhere. And I just followed him. And I'm pretty sure that was him. It was a Rolls Royce. Um, you like to hike? Nah, I want to say like more like, bro. Snowboarding has got me like it has my heart, bro. I'm gonna go again in like 2 weeks to visit family. Okay, what's the best experience you've had in Miami from the time you moved till now? Good question. Um, I want to say it's gonna sound boring, but like, bro, like just driving around with the C8, best. Like, bro, you can't get bored of that. You really can't. And the reason I say that is, okay, look, you go downtown, there's more Lambos than there is like Lambos over there is like regular traffic. You get what I'm saying? So, bro, you go downtown, you want to have like a ride with someone. You see someone, you rev it, they'll rev it back, and then you just follow them. You know what I mean? And then you just have fun around it. But other than that, bro, I don't really do anything crazy here. Well, maybe jet skiing. Not too bad. I don't know. Let me see. I just got a crib at the SLS. It's actually too goaded. SLS. What is that? How many times do you fall skiing, bro? When I went like once, maybe like once or twice. I think I'm getting like the hang of it. How are the cops, bro? The cops here do not care about anything, bro. They do not care. In Miami, bro, I promise you, you could speed, and they will not care. You ever been to the East? Yeah, bro. That we have my family has their boat parked there. What? What? Bro, is your car legal, bro? Of course, bro. Like, they were looking. No, I'm not. Trust me, I'm not. Bro, this market is so fucking boring, bro. Yeah, bro. They look, bro. I'm telling you right now, they don't care. They do not like, bro. Look. I don't think there's ever been a time where I've drove the speed limit, like ever, like ever. And you know what I mean. Well, wait. Let me not jinx it, because if you guys don't hear from me, I probably got arrested. Hey, bro. Already, take it easy, my man. Yeah, let me not jinx it, bro. Bro, is that yours? I fucking love you actually driving Jersey. Bro, trust me, bro. I put that car to like to its like I push that car to its limits, like always. I mean, I got it for a reason, and I got it for that reason. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna drive like a fucking grandma. Oregon, bro, that's beautiful, bro. Now the one that I went to in North Carolina, bro, that was the best one, and it was super cheap. Yo, what do you think about the older C63 AMG? Krabby, what do you, bro? Krabby, you're the AMG guy. Bro. I like the older ones. I like them blacked out, like murdered out. Yeah, yeah, like matte black and shit. Yeah. Oh, that building. Oh, bro, how much is the rent there? I want to say like 4 or 5K, right, a month. Damn. Okay. Oh yeah, the cops in Sunny House. Yeah, they're. I got pulled over once there, but it was a warning. Call it. Yeah, I don't. If you guys want to call it from here on out, I mean, I don't. I really don't blame you guys. Is it trim, bro? Guard, you know what that is? Yeah, bro. Togi, bro. Yeah, not just trim, super trim, bro. No, they made 30K, bro. They were looking at some crypto, and, bro. They're like, yo, should we buy it, bro? They bought it. They made 40K, and like nothing, bro. Yeah. Okay, I'll tell you this: if you ever come to LA, you're not actually gonna be chilling in LA. You'll be coasting Newport Beach, Venice Beach. You could drive to where it's snowing, and that has only. It snows in LA. I heard of that. You can also go to the Rodeo Drive. That's actually where a gang of things do there. Okay, okay. I mean, but it doesn't. I don't know. It doesn't sound super interesting. Like everything that Eddie has, I'm sure Miami has it. Yeah, but I've been there. I've been there. Okay. Blast. I have a question. What's the best way to control my entry finger? Because I blew 5 evals trying to basically gamble, and I still fucked up. Are you talking like? Did you blow them like right now? Don't tell me you're trading this, bro. Like, bro, we're on live, and I keep telling you guys not to trade this, and you're still trading this. Don't tell me. Yeah, bro. It's a discipline thing, dude. It's not something I can tell you like, oh, if the chart looks like this, don't trade it. Obviously, it's a lot easier said than done, but it takes time, bro. You journal what you're feeling, like if you're feeling bored, stuff like that, and try to see the mistake that you made. But it's kind of like a you versus you. It's not something I can really tell you how to fix. Um, you know what I mean? Like it's something that you kind of have to figure out on your own. Like with the everyone has different discipline. But I'm sure a lot of people struggle with that as well. Like you guys get bored, you guys want the dopamine from trading, and you blow up your accounts. Are you gonna invest? But I am never touching like any coin. I mean, bro, we can't even trust the president himself. You know, this ain't no therapy. Stick to that's what I'm saying. But like we're not here to have fun. We're here to make money. You know what I mean? If the market is not showing us anything, which obviously we can all, there's 700 people for you guys in here. We can see that there's nothing going on right now. So why are you guys forcing a trade? Once you guys start trading like a business, that's when you guys are gonna start seeing results. You know what I mean? This is not to have fun and because you're bored, you're gonna like gamble something. For that, but you go to the casino. You know, the fair value of those created on January 31st at 2:35 p.m. Would you inverse that? If you're talking about longs, no. And then shorts, I wouldn't. I would only focus on these three right here, bro. It's horrible, bro. I'm probably gonna get off really soon. Yep. I don't know. bro. I see a lot of you guys are getting off though. Are you guys down to get off and come back later? I think that's gonna be the best thing. Another boring. Well, actually, to be fair, we haven't had a boring market like this in a while, so we can't really complain. You know what I mean? Hopefully, it just doesn't stay like this for you know. When's the meet and greet in Miami, bro? I mean, I'm always by Brickell, so you know what I mean. Like, if you guys are in Brickell, and it's nighttime, I'm probably there. You guys let me know, and I'll pass by. You know. Do you ever live trade? Do you live trade in the PM session ever? I say I do. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Not always, but I try to. You know. Now, if there's something super good, I'll go live. But if not, then you know I kind of just do alerts. Bro, I don't have fans. I don't like doing that. I don't like the word fans. Bro, I'm just like I just trade, dude. Like you know, if you guys wanna if you guys are in Miami or whatever, you guys let me know and I'll just like pass by or whatever. I've done it before and I'll do it again. You know, you guys are pretty cool. I work in Brickell near the big ass Chase Bank. Isn't that the one next to McDonald's? Right? Have you ever? Bro, what type of question is that? Bro, you guys ask the most random questions, bro. Comes to Super Bowl new. How much are the tickets? Yo, Krabby, we're doing the World Cup, right? Oh yeah, for sure. No, the one on Brickell Avenue. I don't remember. It start for nosebleeds. Nah, I'd rather watch shit in the comfort of my own home. What's your team? I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I don't watch soccer. I'm just going because Krabby's going. Wait, it's in New Jersey. Wait, Krabby, where's it at? It's almost said in Jersey. So I guess Lanto's for sure going. Bro, everyone's saying something different. LA, Boston, Dallas. Like, oh, bet. Imagine. Bro. Bro. All right. They're playing the Hard Rock Stadium? No way. Oh yeah, the Hard Rock. They're playing there for real? Bro, that's like 30 minutes away from me. SNC form should see sort soon. Bro, this thing is the choppiest shit ever, bro. I myself, I can't even get a reading here. So yo, bro. I'm gonna be worldwide, bro. Oh, bet no, bro. You gotta come here then. Bet. All right, bro. No, bro. Bro, we gotta meet our members, bro. Yeah, bro. Bro, imagine you're watching the World Cup and like someone throws a fucking drink at you, bro. Bro, that shit will probably happen as well, bro. Cause bro. Bro, I want to get off this market already, bro. I'm gonna call it. Yeah, bro. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. You need to go sailing. Take you 4 hours to bring me, bro. My friend goes there all the time. I wanted to go, but I haven't found time. There's a lot of consolidation. Yeah. I was in the Brick a couple months ago and I met Justin. Oh, that guy, bro. Look at him, bro. That's some crazy shit, bro. Kari, do you consider that like a flex? Look at the picture that Vic sent. Bro's in a Lambo. No, but do you think that's like, bro? That's like Loki, like, yeah, 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 right? Yeah, that's. I don't know, bro. All right, bro. I'm getting off, bro. I'm getting off. This market is so garbage, bro. All right, guys, get off the charts. I mean, obviously, you guys are seeing what's going on. We've been chopping for the last hour. Get off. Get off. All right. If anything, we come back later. Worst case, we come back tomorrow with a cleaner market. All right. I'm gonna go to the gym, bro. Fuck this market. All right, guys. I'll see you guys hopefully later. All right. Peace out, Krabby. Peace out, chat. Peace out. And YouTube, guys. My bad for no trades today. Or well, I can't really be sorry about it. I don't really control the market, but we still have the winning streak alive and everything. So hopefully we get something later. If not, we'll be back in the live tomorrow. Now, you guys already know what I'm gonna say. If you guys do want to join the premium with 60% off to get access to real-time live trading with zero delay, real-time alerts, my entire strategy, and my entire community that, it's filled with about 600 to 700 traders. If you guys do want to learn everything there, click the first link in the description. It's code 60 at checkout for 60% off. If you guys are interested in joining, it will look like this, right? So you click this link right here. Then you go ahead and click join. You can do any 1 month, 3 months, or lifetime. Then you just type code 60, just like this, and it will apply the 60% off if you guys are interested in joining. And by the way, guys, make sure to take advantage of the Apex discount. They're currently 80% off. The discount ends tomorrow. And they don't really do discounts too much. So you can get an account for about $20-ish. So it would look like this. Apex. The discount ends in 1 day, in 12 hours. So make sure you guys take advantage of the 80% off ASAP. All right, guys? Do not miss out on this because they don't really do discounts as often anymore. So yeah, make sure you guys take advantage of this. Use code Blastoise. It's on the screen. It's BLASTOISE. All right, guys, for 80% off. So 60% off the premium if you guys are interested in joining, and code Blastoise for 80% off Apex. All right, guys. But that's enough for me for today. I'm not really liking the market conditions. So I'm just gonna get off. It's probably better off if I don't trade this. All right, guys. So if anything, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for tuning on by, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.